guys, welcome back to another video. Thanks for joining us for another week. Today we got another experiment. We're gonna be doing a volcano. So what you're gonna need is some dish liquid, some distilled white vinegar, some washable paint, some baking soda, a tablespoon, water, and something to help you measure everything out with. All right guys, our first step is gonna be grabbing our baking soda and putting let's put 4 tablespoons of baking soda into the water. All right guys, our next step is we're gonna get 1 tablespoon of dish liquid and add it to our bases. All right guys, the last thing we're gonna add is our washable paint. We're gonna add about ½ an ounce to an ounce. All right guys, our next step was the paint. So now we're gonna just stir it all up. All right guys, our last step will be the white distilled vinegar. Everybody go outside. Expect to get dirty. Expect the eruption. Let's go. All right guys, for our last step, we have the distilled white vinegar. Now we're gonna add it to our base ingredients. And let's see what happens. All right, thanks guys for joining us for another week. See you next time. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe.